Do you want to erase your iPhone or iPad? Maybe you want to securely delete all the data from it so you can sell it. Or perhaps you're finding it slow or it has a problem and you feel like a fresh start. If you want to give your iPhone or iPad a factory reset, you've come to the right place. This is Dave's Tech Rescue, where I solve your problems with computers, internet and technology. If you have a problem you'd like me to solve, write your question in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss my next video where I might be answering your question. Today's question: how can I securely erase my iPad and put it back to factory settings so I can sell it? Well, it's really easy to securely erase your iPhone or iPad, so whether you're planning to sell your device, pass it on to someone else, or you just feel like having a clean start with it, you can reset the software to make it feel box fresh again. First, make sure you have a backup of all your photos, files, contacts, emails and other data. This could be as simple as making sure it's all in iCloud, or logging into your account on another computer and checking all your data is there. I like to check all my data on iCloud by going to this website, iCloud.com. You just need to sign in with your Apple ID and password, and you can check that your photos are up to date there, and check that your contacts and other data are there too. If you're planning to replace this iPad with a newer one, the easiest way to take your data with you is to back it all up to iCloud. So go into Settings, then go into this first section with your name, and into iCloud. Then go down to iCloud Backup, and check that this is turned on. This will tell you the time and date of the last backup, which is probably the last time you had the device plugged into charge and it was on Wi-Fi. If this is out of date, you can ask it to do a backup now. Anyway, when you're happy that all your data is backed up somewhere safe, go into Settings, go into General, then go all the way down to the bottom and tap Reset. Then tap on Erase all content and settings. You might get a notice that your data is still being sent to iCloud or being backed up, so let this finish if it needs to. But if you're ready, go to Erase Now. Then it asks you for your passcode. This is the code you normally punch in when you turn on your iPhone or iPad. Then confirm you definitely want to erase your device. And you'll be asked again because you need to be really sure about this. Finally, you'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password. This removes the device from your account, but it also means that if you sell it, the next person who uses it won't get a notice saying the device has been locked, so they won't be contacting you asking you to unlock it. So type in your password and press Erase. Now all you have to do is wait a few minutes, and if you happen to check your emails at this point, you should get one saying that Find My iPhone has been disabled, which is completely normal. And after a couple of minutes, your iPhone or iPad will go to a white screen saying hello in different languages. At this point, it's been securely erased and it's effectively like a brand new device again. If you want, you can sell this now, or if you're keeping it, you just follow the instructions on screen to set it up like new again. How did that go for you? Let me know in the comments below if the reset worked for you or if it didn't. And I'd be interested if you reset your device because you had a certain problem. Did this fix it? Please give this video the thumbs up if you found it helpful, and if you'd like to see more videos like this in future, you can subscribe to Dave's Tech Rescue by hitting the red subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.